Rwanda Dahajis.
Come on, come on, and welcome back.
Rwanda Dahajis.
Yeah. Come
Why
on,
not
come on.
Africa?
Say it again.
Yeah, why not Africa first?
All right, guys, we are together with the Grammy award-winning Christian rapper of all times, the GOAT himself, goes by the name of Lecrae. He's in Kigali. He has landed just a few minutes ago. Lecrae, good to see you, man.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for welcoming me like this. It's beautiful.
Awesome, awesome, and welcome to the land of 1,000 years.
Yeah, appreciate you. This is my first time, so I'm excited.
Awesome, awesome. A quick one. Why did you choose Rwanda to be, part of your, world tour?
Rwanda is the first country in Africa that I ever wanted to come to. Years ago, when I heard about it, I wanted to come, and I just had never been able to get here. And so now, it's a rich history, incredible people, and this is my first time being here, so I'm excited.
Awesome, awesome. Everyone is excited to see you. And congratulations. We've been looking forward to the new album, Reconstruction. So in a brief, what's all about Reconstruction?
Reconstruction is just about understanding that our foundation is Jesus, but sometimes we need to reconstruct on that foundation. Sometimes we believe that the world has thrown us away and that we are unusable, but God wants to take those broken pieces and reconstruct them into something amazing. And that's what Reconstruction is about.
Awesome, awesome. A lot of fans in Rwanda looking forward to seeing you for the first time. So what should they prepare, and what's your expectation?
It'll probably be beyond your expectations. I want to put on a show and take people through just every era of my music, and then a lot of excitement, a lot of crowd participation, a lot of fun, a lot of surprises. You never know. True.
We are the third country actually, for your tour. You started with Zimbabwe, then yesterday Zambia. Today Rwanda, it's happening. How's the experience so far for the two countries?
The tour has been amazing. So we actually changed the dates for Zimbabwe.
Okay.
So we've only done Zambia yet, and that was crazy. It was a crazy show. They said the only thing that could top it was Rwanda, so I'm waiting to see if that happens.
Come on, we're ready for you. Last one, there are so many Christian rappers who look forward to you, who look up to you. You've been a big inspiration to them. So what's your word to them? What has kept you grounded and doing what you do every day?
Faith in the Lord, obviously, but then community, having good people around you that just remind you of who you are, who God says that you are, and just walking and being consistent. Having integrity. Whoever you are behind the scenes is who you are in front of the world. And I think that's been very helpful for me in order to go on a journey that I've been going on as an artist and as a man.
True. Awesome. And looking forward to today. It's going to be lit, definitely. And thank you so much for coming through. We totally appreciate you. Maybe the last one also, is everyone in Africa, they're looking forward, we first got surprised that, the world tour is starting in Africa. Is there a specific reason maybe why you chose Africa before other places?
Why not?
Come on.
Africa?
Say it again.
Yeah, why not Africa first? You dig what I'm saying? Like, first of all, this is the continent of my roots, where, you know what I mean? And also on top of that is the fans are like none other, super supportive and consistent. And man, if it's a world tour, how come everybody does world tours and they don't include Africa? What's going on, man? They go everywhere else. They're going to London and Europe.
That's true.
Australia. Come to the continent.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Come to the roots.
Yeah, come to the roots and come to Rwanda.
Yes.
You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, I didn't come here for gorillas and horror stories, man. I came here for the people.
Come on.
So yeah, but if I do see gorilla, that'd be cool though.
Probably you will. Awesome, man. And what is just one Kinyarwanda word? Just tell people that I'm here. Say Ndahageze.
Oh, Ndahageze?
Ndahageze.
Ndahageze.
Awesome.
What language am I speaking?
Kinyarwanda.
Yes. Okay, so both.
Say Rwanda Ndahageze.
Rwanda Ndahageze.
Come on, and welcome.
Rwanda Dahajis.
Yeah.
I said that. Rwanda Dahajis.
Yeah.
We did that.
Awesome.
Yeah. God bless you. God bless you.
Go get some rest.
Oh yes, believe that.
Yeah, for sure. 1 p.m. All right.